Hello guys, Benny of Benny's Kitchen. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today's recipe, we are going to do this tasty and crispy peanut burger. On the table, I have what I'm making my burger with. I have some groundnut here. I'm using 4 cups of groundnut, 2 cups of flour, baking soda. I'll be using sugar, vanilla, white pepper, nutmeg, milk, egg, and salt. This is what we are using to make our peanut burger. So this is the groundnut here, raw groundnuts. These are just raw groundnuts. So first of all, I will see if there are any dirt in them. Then I'll take, first of all, you have to pick the groundnut to pick out the dirt in them, because you don't know where they were peeled and how they dried them. So after doing that, I'll now pour in some hot water, boiling water, and then some salt, so it will have some taste. So what I'm going to do now is for me to pour in the hot water, and after pouring in the hot water, you allow it to rest for like 10 to 15 minutes. So this is what we have here now. So I'll be adding in some salt. Then you stir very well so that all the groundnuts will be tasty. So now leave it to rest, then I'll come back, then we'll continue. So guys, this is after 10 minutes. I'll now sieve the water out. So hot. To the water, so you just sieve it out like this. Try to drain all the water from the sieve before you now pour it in the tray for it to dry. So this is my tray. I lined it with this kitchen towel because I want it to absorb the water. So you leave it like this to dry a bit, then before you start cooking. So when they are out of the water, you try to take the ones that are cut into 2, because we don't want that. Then if you have some bad ones, try and see if you can take them out too. So you put in the sun, allow it to dry for some time, or you can put it in the oven to dry. Dry. Now let us get the base of the coated groundnut. So now I'm going to start with the dry ingredients. So I'll add in the milk into the flour. Then I have my nutmeg. Then I have white powder. These are just for flavors. It's just optional. Then I'll add in some salt. I'm not adding so much salt in here because I already added salt when I added water into the groundnut. So now I'll stir everything very well. Stir so it will be well combined, so all the groundnut will be well coated with taste and spice. So now I'll add in the baking soda. Combine very, very well. If you can taste the flour, you see that it is well flavored now. Well flavored. Then let us work with the wet ingredients now. So I'll crack my egg. I'm cracking 2. And I'll pour in the sugar. Then vanilla. Vanilla is also for flavor. Then I will now combine very well. You can use any flavor of your choice, but I just like the vanilla flavor, so I always love using vanilla to work. So this is well whisked now. We can start the business of the day. So guys, I'll be working with this bowl. So we have to coat now. So what I'll do, I'll add in some flour inside this bowl. And I'll pour in the groundnut. So I'll take some of the eggs, add in a bit of it, allow it to touch every part of the groundnut. Some people call it peanut. When you have done this, you now add in some of the flour again. And then you keep shaking like this. You keep shaking like this. Or you can use your hand to work on it. I'll be adding in some more flour. Keep on shaking like this. This shaking is a form of exercise. You see it's coating, and if they are sticking together, just use your hand to take them off. So at this point, I have to drain it out, then I will coat more. So after the first coating, I'll pour them out to take any excess flour in there, then I'll repeat the process. I'll add in some more flour in here again. And I'll pour in the peanuts, add in some eggs. Make sure every part has the egg. And I'll add in some more flour. Then repeat the process. They are sticking together. You take your hand, use your hand to take them out. So guys, so we'll have here now, you have to repeat the process like 4 to 5 times and allow the groundnut to be well coated. And if anyone is stuck together, you just use your hand to separate them because you don't want them to be stuck when they are entering the hot oil. So you keep doing this. You can actually use it to start a business, or you can make it at home as snack. If it's a business you want to do, I'm going to leave the quantity in my description box so that if you're making more, you now double or adjust the ingredients the way you want to adjust them. And again, some of the spices I put in here, they're just optional because this is to be taken at home, so I want it to be very spicy. But if you are doing a business, you know what to add that will make you to make your profit. So guys, this is our crispy, crunchy, tasty peanut burger. Like now this one is stuck, but I have to remove it. I have to separate them, you know. So this is done now. The oil is getting heated up on the gas. So when I'm done here, we just go and start frying our peanut burger. So after coating, I have to pour them in a sieve so I can take out the excess flour. You can see the excess flour at the bottom of the plate. It's coming out. Wow, this is well coated. So after taking out the excess oil now, we'll go to the gas cooker and then we'll start frying. So guys, I had to throw one of the coated peanut to know if the oil is hot. As you can see, the oil is hot now, so I'll just put them and let me pour in our peanut burger. Wow. So you can see how beautiful the peanut burger is. So you fry until it is golden brown, then you take them out. Guys, if you have been following me from the beginning of this video and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you're a returning member, thank you very much. Keep liking my videos, keep sharing my videos, give the video a thumbs up. Let us get to the promised land, please. So until it is golden brown, we will take them out from the hot oil. So guys, you can see it's turning to brown and our yummy peanut burger is almost ready. You have to fry on medium heat so it doesn't get burnt. So at this moment now, I'll take them out and put in my kitchen towel so it can drain out the excess oil. So you can start a business with this or make it as snacks in the house. So guys, this is our peanut burger. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.